Hi, thank you for your interest in 67 liters large capacity grocery delivery backpack. The bag used top rolling closure mode and backpack style design. The strong and durable material. Load weight can reach 20 kilograms. Damping shoulder straps and comfortable back panel, let delivery specialist more comfortable and safety on the road. Long life structural design, durability is twice as much as normal. A catching design add on your logo let drive your brand to increase visibility. Accept this style. We are welcome for tailor-made design order. If you have interest, or looking for a great supplier to help you produce your ideal grocery delivery bag, Hongsheng Bags and Design Limited is your great partner. Welcome to send us your requirement. Our email is sales@hongsheng.com.hk. Or if you want to know more about us, please visit our website www.hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you.